Sasha. I'm a mentor at Club Phoenix, and today we're going to be growing a rainbow. So let's get into it. For this experiment, you don't need that many materials. You need a paper towel, some colored markers, and 2 glasses, and of course, water. Start by folding your paper towel in half and making small sections for each of the colors. These sections don't have to be completely equal. Just try your best and have fun with it. Repeat this on the other side of the paper towel, and in the end, it should look something like this. Now comes the fun part. Start by pouring a little bit of water into both of your glasses. Then you're going to take your already folded paper towel and fold it once again down the middle and place each end into the glass of water. You can see that right away the colors start climbing up the paper towel because of a process known as capillary action. One of the most important properties of water is capillary action, which occurs when molecules of water bond together and climb up where it's defying the rules of gravity. Another great example of capillary action is how plants absorb water through their roots.